Happy New Year, guys. It's 2024. Welcome to the year 2024. It's going to be a great year. This is the first video of this year, and what better way to start the year? I would like to tell you a bit more about myself, okay? Because we are not just here to make soap, but to have a soap community where we can bond and learn more on soap making and other topics. New to this channel, welcome. My name is Ego the Mercy Soaper. My name is Ego. That's the name my parents gave me. I am Nigerian and I am from the eastern part of Nigeria. I am from Imo State, and my mom is from Cross River, and I grew up all my life in Cross River, Calabar. Okay, so I am the first child of my parents, and I have 5 siblings. Okay, I have 5 siblings. I'd like to talk about my journey as a soap maker, okay, and I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. I started soap making from 2021. Okay, soap making was born from a vulnerable part of my life. It was born out of pain, and which I'm not ready to discuss right now. I was into the hair industry where I sell shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, deep conditioners. Okay, I love natural hair. Hair is the best part of the body for me, so I am in love with hair, and I think it's one of the parts that I would like to go back to this year if God wills it. Okay, it's one part of business, branch of business I would like to go back into, and if you would like, I would like to make videos on hair care too as well. Kind of transited from hair care into soap making. I don't know how soap making came. I would just say it was divine, because when I was in pain, when I was going through pain, hurt, grieving, I just found myself making soap. I wouldn't say that, oh, I saw somebody making soap somewhere. I don't know how that came. I can't tell you how soap came into my mind, because it's not anything that I have been interested in to do. It's not one of my interests. You know, I am very pragmatic. I love to use my hands a lot. Okay, so that came easy for me to do, you know, just to while away time and keep my head clear, you know, figuring out, oh, how is soap made and all. And I started by buying a melt and pour base, and that's how my first soap was, a turmeric and a charcoal soap. All right, and my friend saw my status, because I posted it on my WhatsApp status, and my friend was like, Ego, did you go to learn how to make soap? I'm like, no. And she said, this one is melt and pour, that she's going to tell me who is going to teach me how to make soap. And that was how 2021, beginning of 2021, like this year, like January of 2021, I went ahead and I learned how to make soap. Now, I would say my teacher gave me my basic foundation, but did she like expatiate to what I know now? No. But did she give me a foundation? She did. All right. Now I had to go back and build on that foundation, learning more, researching more. So what I know is based on my experience, what I've learned, what I've seen people do, my trials and errors, and my sleepless nights, my burning of candles. Okay, so I'm happy to where I am right now when it comes to my soaping experience. My mom was one of my testers, okay, and 2021, once I was done with my class, I went straight into making soaps. I poured soaps and experimented and made lots of soaps. And I sent my mom a whole box of soaps, and she picked her favorites and she told me that they were going to be bestsellers. I sent her that box of soap as at June of 2021, and she told me these are going to be your bestsellers. And by August 12, 2021, she passed. And after she passed, I kind of spiraled down into a dark hole. I I still made soaps, but I wasn't selling per se. It just kept me busy. It kept me sane. The whole of 2022, I was in a dark place, and I just couldn't digest the thoughts of her being gone. And what kept me going was soap making. I kept making soaps. I kept making soaps. Sometimes I wouldn't do anything. It was hard to survive, you know. Until 2023, early 2023, I told myself my mom would want better, and I decided to do better. And I got up, and 2023 was a game changer for me, for my brand. And my bestsellers were the bestsellers she picked up, and they're still my bestsellers till date. And yeah, it was when it came to selling the soaps, it was a big challenging, and I understood why. My brand is new, my name is new, soap making is kind of new in Nigeria, and you have to sell the value of what you're giving out to people so that people are interested in what you are selling. Okay, so I did adverts, and based on referral, my market and customers came mostly from referrals. I had a lot of people that came in through, oh, my soap, your soap was given to me as a gift. Your soap, I picked it up from somebody's pack. I did this, I did that. And I mean, that was it. I had to like be everywhere on every platform. So if people do not know your brand, people will not know how to find you. So you have to be out there for people to know that you exist, and you have to sell value to people too as well. It's been a great journey so far. This video is just to tell you how I've gotten to this point, not necessarily how to put your brand out there. So it's been great. It's been great, and I just thank God for everything He's done so far. How did I get the name Mercy Soap App? Now, after I finished learning how to make soaps from my tutor, my first soap that I was supposed to do on my own, oh my God, it was chaotic. It was chaotic. I set my camera because I'm like, I'm going to video this process. Okay, so I remember what I did, you know, just in case it came out nice. And I was just so over ambitious. I was doing a 4 or 5 color wheel. It was supposed to be I didn't even think it was going to be a camouflage soap. Okay, if I find the picture, I'm going to paste it somewhere here. And I mean it came out all right. I had like 8 oils in that particular soap recipe, you know. I mean, it was great. It was a great first try, and I mean, it came out looking really, really good. So that's how, once I was done with that production, oh my God, if you had seen my space, My space was upside down, my table was upside down, the floor was messed up, because once I just turned the lye into the oil, everything just turned into soap. Like immediately, I didn't have time to dump everything into the mold. Like it was just crazy. It was crazy. And that is how the name The Messy Soaper came. And that was it, and it stuck. I'm like, Ego, you're so messy, The Messy Soaper. And that was it. That's how that name stuck. And I love it. A lot of people say it's strange, it's weird, it's nice. You know, people have different feel when it comes to the name of the brand. People think, oh, I don't think you're a messy soaper, I think you're a mad soaper. I think you know, I think your work is neat, you're not messy, you know. But I mean, the name spanned from, you know, just a little bit of story, beautiful beginnings. And guys, in 2023 we decided to start a YouTube channel. I said, why don't I come on YouTube channel and, you know, do the thing that I love? Okay, I love soap making so much. From my videos, you could tell that I love what I do. And so I decided to put out valuable content as much as I can. All right. We hit our milestone of 1,000 subscribers in about 6 months. Oh no, we started in April of 2023 and we hit 1,000 subscribers as at November. In 8 months, all right, we hit 1,000 subscribers in 8 months, and we are yet to hit our 4,000 watch hours. Guys, please, I'm using this opportunity to beg you guys, if you watch our content, not if, watch our content and watch it to the end. It helps us. It helps the algorithm push the video out to other people, and it helps us when you watch to the end, from beginning to the end. It adds to the watch hours. Please, if you know we give you valuable content, don't skip the content. Watch it from beginning to the end. That way at least we win too as well. You get knowledge and then we get something in return. All right, so please share our content, share it to people, invite people, share our page. Don't be stingy. Share our content out so we can hit our milestone. Just as how we give you value, please let us be happy. Let me be happy to be here giving you valuable content and at least having something in return. So we would really appreciate that if you watch our videos from beginning to the end and like our videos, subscribe to our channel and invite other of your friends and family to watch our content. Thank you. 2024 is going to be great. It's going to be a great year. We have a lot of things upcoming this year. I wouldn't want to say much about that because sometimes you say some things and then the year ends up being something else. But as the months unfold, whatever we can do, we will keep you posted and we would let you know that, okay, this is what we will be doing for the year. So, but just stay tuned. We'll be bringing out more content. Okay, so let me know what you would like us to do. We're going to be having more courses added to what we have. So if you want to learn how to make soaps, okay, you want to know how to make your soaps, all right, either for home use, for personal care, for gift sets, for souvenirs, for weddings, party favors, for wholesale, for retail, whatever the case may be, we got you covered for 2024. All right, so thank you so much, guys. If you are new here, please become part of our community. Subscribe to our channel. If you've been returning here and you're still not subscribed, it's about time. It's 2024. Please do us this favor and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I wish you an amazing 2024.